What does a bunny say?
Up.
Hop. Can you say up?
Up.
Good job. Can you say hot?
Hot.
Can you say cold?
Brr.
Brr. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Can you say toes? Very good. Where's your nose?
Nose.
Nose. Can you say snow?
No.
No. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you do the itsy bitsy spider? The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.